What is going on? Daniel here from Signature Performance in Costa Mesa, California. Thank you for coming back to the YouTube page if you've been here before. If not, and you stumbled upon us, welcome to the home of the HDs is what it feels like. I'm excited to show you another truck today. Another HD, yes, and it is different. So we got to take the time to shoot these videos, tell you the story about the customer. Most importantly, when you see it on Instagram, it isn't always what you want. It might look like what you want. So we try to take the time to educate you about the process of how do we choose this product, how do we end up there, and is it a good fit for you? So hopefully we'll be able to educate you on that today. Behind me is a 2020 Chevy 2500HD. This truck was built in August of 2019, so it's one of the very first 2020 models. Suspension is the same, 20 to 25, all through that. This is simple white color, chrome trim. Depending what model you have, you might have some painted to match components, but when Joe came here, he has dual citizenship, I'll call it. He's from Arizona, also has a home here in California. He's not on Instagram, he's not on Facebook, which was kind of wild. But he Googled HD lift kits and we came up. So really happy he was able to find us. He's over here hiding behind the screen today. And we just finished this truck yesterday for him. He came back today so we can put the center caps on for him. Joe came down to our retail store here in Costa Mesa, saw me on the YouTube videos, walked in, and I just happened to be sitting up front. So it was cool to be able to build through this process. Joe had done a lot of his own homework before he arrived, so he was very clear on what he wanted. I didn't have to re-educate or re-guide. He had already really done his homework, so I'm excited to kind of go through this build here with you. So it's outfitted with the 4-inch McGaughys kit, which you're very familiar with if you followed our YouTube page. It is our #1 selling kit. We did do all the painted to match components, so if you look up under the front end, the GMs expose a lot of raw suspension components. Particularly, they turn rusty and ugly right out the gate. If you got a $100,000 truck, you want to take those little bit of extra details. So at Signature Performance, we absolutely do that. We mask off all the axles and paint all that stuff when it is out of the vehicle. So we're not just getting spray paint and doing a hack job for you. Really take the time to pay attention to those details. It's got the cross member up front, new knuckle. Most importantly, while you're looking at the suspension, I want you to pay attention to the angles, right? A leveling kit is not going to provide you flat CV axles. It's not going to provide you flat tie rods. You might ask, well, what does that mean? Well, that's all related to drivability, right? If you got tie rods that are binding out, you're going to lose down travel, you're going to get bump steer. This kit drives absolutely fantastic right out the gate. It is outfitted as far as shocks goes with the McGaughys M84 Shocks. We do get questions on other shock options. We're a big fan of this shock. They come pre-boxed, ready to go. They are valved and tuned specific to this application. And then you have the upper control arm there that you see as well. The upper control arm is not required for this 4-inch kit. However, it's the first thing you see on your suspension. So we're already in there. It's literally 2 extra bolts to get that upper control arm out. If you're going to do it, now's the time to do it. Gives you plenty of clearance up there. And we really like the billet plates and options that you get with all the McGaughys. In the rear, it's lifted with a 1 3/4 inch block kit. It does come with optional shims. So depending where you set the front height, you do have some adjustability to be very specific in the rear. There it comes with new U-bolts. We chose to not do any shims on this truck. It is set at 4 inches of height. So you don't really need those shims in the back. It's very rare that we do install them. However, you will have them available pre-boxed in the kit ready to go. And then the M84 shocks in the back. So most important thing, when we're doing suspension, guys are really picking your suspension around what wheel and tire you select. I'm really happy with this 38-inch setup. You'll see a lot of videos of 37s. We're starting to do some more 38s. So I want to point out some details in this 38-inch package that if you decide to go 38s, just so you know the difference between 38 and 37. Some guys might tell you need to do torsion keys. You can do torsion keys to get a little bit more height. We didn't have to on this truck. So wheel and tire setup, it's a 38 1350 18. This is the Toyo Open Country RT Pro. So there is a regular RT, so just so you're aware of the tread pattern. This is what Toyo calls their hybrid MT, so it still falls more in the mud terrain market. This specific tire is not going to come with a tread life warranty, but it does have 3-ply sidewalls, 80 PSI. So if you're towing on these HDs, you want to make sure when you're picking tires, a lot of 37s, 38s, they're going to come in like a C load capacity. So just pay attention for that when you're selecting your tire. If you're not sure, we're here to help. And the last shiny piece here is the wheels. So this is the Method MR315. And no, they do not come this way out of the box. We did take the extra step. Joe was very clear. He wanted his chrome wheels to match his chrome bumpers. So when the wheels came in, they were machined. We took all the bolts and the washers out of the edge of the wheel, sent them off, had them chrome plated, and then we had to order chrome caps. So we put chrome caps, Gorilla spline driven lugs, and voila, you got your chrome wheels and tires. Really happy with the balance of this wheel and tire setup. As far as fitment goes in the front, on the back side here, we did the Mudflap Billet kit here. You can see that. Factory has like a Mudflap that drops down here, so took care of that. And then on the firewall side is the Fender tieback kit. This all looks really stock. That's what we're shooting for. We want clean, stock, drivability. With these type of builds, it's 100% what we're shooting for. And then on the front, on the lower side of the bumper, I'll call this what we would call a medium trim. So there is a little bit more trim involved on the lower valance there than what we would do on the 37, but didn't have to cut into the metal. There's no trim, full lock, or in reverse. It's completely dialed in. The last bit of information about this build is the LogIQ airbags. So you're starting to see these regularly. We're doing these a lot. So out back, these airbags come completely assembled, ready to install on the vehicle. There is a double bellow airbag. It is a long travel bag, so the bags sit across the axle, allowing for real balance for drivability. You're not going to get any bumps or feel anything like that. The airbags are connected, and we have it connected to a compressor system. So I just want to take a minute. So these they sit up on the visor, magnetizer. You can put it in your truck. They're very simple to use. So on the back side, it's got an unlock button here. It'll just unlock there, right? And then you can hold it, and you can see the PSI increasing, and you can also see the truck going up there. You do have the ability, if you hit right, there's multiple presets. So depending on trailers, in this case, if you got 7 trailers, lucky you. But you do have 7 options there to save them, or you can just hold it and the air is going to completely release out of the bags. So this is a really nice option whether your truck's lifted or not. If you're towing and you want maximum drivability, the airbags are going to give you that balance from front to back based off your load capacity. So thank you, Joe, for your business for this truck. This truck came out fantastic. You can buy all these parts on our website at signatureptw.com. If you want to send us your truck, we got one coming from Florida right now. You can send us your truck here in Costa Mesa. We're happy to build it for you. If you got any questions, you want to place an order, have it shipped to you, we have all the options. We can do it anyway. Our number is 888-680-0060. You can ask for me, ask for anybody on the team, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you for your time today.